Hello everyone, this is Tara from Clap Art Studio. Thank you so much for purchasing our foosball kit. And in this video, I am going to walk you through on how to make this foosball all by yourself. Now, if you haven't purchased our kits, they are readily available on www.clapstudio.ca. All of these kits come with pre-cut and pre-measured items that is very easy for you to assemble. Now let's get started. Once you have taken out everything from your kit, place it around you so you know exactly what you have. The only things that you would need are some markers, crayons if you have, and a pair of scissors. In your kit, you will have the following. You will have 2 walls with 4 holes, a base, and 2 small cut-out rectangles with 2 holes in them. We will have 4 dowels, some googly eyes, a little ball, some glitter foam stickers, and some clothespins. The first thing that we're going to do is to color in our walls. We're going to make sure that we are coloring in the right side. So right now we're going to color on the side that has the stickers. And you can do it however you want. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to start coloring the sides. So basically we want to decorate our entire foosball kit, all on the inside. So wherever the stickers are, we are going to decorate that side. You can draw people, you can draw flowers. It's completely up to you what you want to draw. Now that I've got both my sides colored, we're going to go on and decorate our base. Now that we've got our base, so I just did a simple stadium layout, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start sticking our foam pieces to each other so that we build our stadium. Make sure that when you are sticking your boards that you press them into the sides gently but firmly. We don't want any loose pieces. Now that we have our kit stuck and assembled, we are now going to go on to the next part of taking our 4 dowel sticks and putting them through the 2 holes on either side. Be very gentle and be very careful. The next step that we're going to do now that we have everything assembled, this is looking really good. I am really happy with what I did so far. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make some fun handles for our dowel sticks, just to make it a little bit fancy. So now in your kit you will have 2 glitter foam stickers. Now this is where the scissors come in. You are going to cut some pieces and wrap it around the ends of the dowels. So the easiest way to evenly divide our sticker is we're going to cut it lengthwise in half first. And the next step, after we cut it in lengthwise in half, we are going to cut it widthwise. So you can stack the 2 halves together and cut right down the middle so that we have 4 pieces. Now that you have your 4 pieces, choose 2 dowels that you want to have your stickers on. So the first one I'm going to choose for me is I'm going to wrap it on this end. I'm going to choose the first dowel. Let's stick it on the other side. Make sure it is wrapped up nice and tight and that it's stuck very well so that when you play it, it doesn't come off. Next, my next dowel that's going to have the yellow sticker, I'm going to skip one. I'm going to put the yellow on the third dowel. Now that we have our yellow foam handles, it's looking really, really pretty. Next, we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with the yellow stickers, now with the green. With the exception that we're now going to stick the green on the second dowel and the fourth dowel. Now everything is stuck. Do we see that? We have alternating colors, yellow, green, yellow, green. Now in your kit, you will have 6 clothespins. What we're gonna do is we're gonna divide them into 2 groups, 3 and 3. Now what we're gonna do to them next is that we're going to color our clothespins in 2 different colors. One of them will be one color, another group will be another color. What is very important to note is the fact that we're going to color in the longer part of the clothespin. That's going to be our body, and the top part is going to be our head. Now you can color the entire clothespin if you want to do, that is completely up to you. But what I'm going to do, like for me, my preference, I'm just going to color in the bottom half. Now that we got our clothespins colored, 3 of them are red, 3 of them are blue, we're going to go now and put on their googly eyes. Now that we've got our googly eyes on, you can go ahead, draw a nose and a mouth to give them a little bit more fun. Now this is how the players are going to be set up. On one end, we are going to place a goalie. They are the ones who are going to block the goals. So now, since I matched up the colors, blue to blue, and red to the red goal, as we can see over there, I am going to place on the red side one goalie, who is going to be red. You see our little goalkeeper? He's going to make sure that the ball does not go through. On the blue side, we're going to put our blue goalie. There we go. They are the ones, you can always adjust them, pull them a bit more to the center, whichever makes them protect the goal better. The next thing that we're going to do is put on our players, the ones who are going to move the ball back and forth in the foosball arena. 1 and 2. Now that they're there, they can try and kick the ball, adjust as needed, keep them a little far apart so that they have space to kick the goal in wherever. And now we're going to add our blue players that are going to try and kick the goal into this goal. And there you have it. Now you guys can feel free to color the outsides of the box however you want, but on the inside it is all done. All that is left is for us to play. Place the ball right in the center wherever we marked our center, get a friend, and try and play. And there you have it, our own mini foosball kit. You get to play with your family and your friends. It is so much fun. So don't forget, if you haven't purchased our kit yet, go to www.clapstudio.ca. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!